बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। English subject, unit number 1, Fiza's family. Reading: HELLO, hello. HELLO, hello. WHATS, what's. WHATS, what's. YOUR, your. YOUR, your. What's your NAME, name? What's your name? आपका नाम क्या है? HI, hi. MY, my. NAMES, names. ALI, Ali. Hi, my name's Ali. मेरा नाम अली है. WHATS, what's. YOURS, yours. आपका क्या है? IAMAN, अमान. I am अमान, मैं अमान हूँ. NICE, nice. TO2 MEET, meet. Nice to meet. YOU, you. Nice to meet you. आपसे मिलकर अच्छा लगा.